welcome back to our channel Life Capture. So this is a part 2 video of our weekend vlog at Vijayawada, and this is such a beautiful experience that we had. That is the street shopping in Vijayawada, that is Decent Road. So I bought so many things from Decent Road, and it was really very difficult because we had so much of luggage in our hand, and roaming with that luggage throughout it was really very tiring. So you should be ready to walk all the way with the luggage you have. And one more thing is that you should bargain a lot. So this is the mistake that we did, and after coming back to home they were like, oh my god, you got this for this much, you should have bargained more. That was the thing that everybody told us. So now I'm going to show you what all that we purchased in our street shopping. So it was very difficult to carry the luggage and take the video. It was so difficult and the video turned out very bad. So you will have to bear with those videos. So that's the reason now I'm going to spend my time and show you all guys what I purchased. So we were walking. I saw a shop, very small shop, where they were selling these small sticker packets. So I bought this over there for each 10 rupees, and like usually I buy them for 40 rupees each, and I got it for 10 rupees. That was like way too cheap. And after that I also got this black bindi ITEX set, the whole set. And the price is the normal usual MRP price. And the next one is that I found this cute little glasses. Wow, actually these are shorts, so it looks so cute, and I thought I could make some beautiful YouTube videos like how to make DIY candles or something like that. I really wanted to do something of that sort, so that is the reason why I bought those glasses, and they look so cute, and you can use them for any functions or celebration that you will be celebrating at your home. The next one is that I bought these bangles. Wow, they look so beautiful. So I bought these bangles for just 50 rupees, and they look so pretty, and I don't have a black metallic bangle, so that's the reason I bought them. And next I'm going to show you something that is like my favorite. I love purchasing watches so much, and I got this such a pretty watch for just 250 rupees. And this is the first time I'm trying like very a watch for just 250 rupees. I really wanted to buy and like just try it at least for once. Yeah, this is how it looks. And this is a very cute little bag. I got it, like you can just carry it anywhere if you go for a picnic or somewhere like that. So this is how it looks, and I got it for 100 rupees. This is a jute bag. So finding a mask for my size is really very difficult, and I literally ordered so many masks, but everything turned out to be way too big for me. And I got these three cute little masks for myself from there. So these are the clips that I got from the shop. So it's like how many ever clips I have, we have, every one of us, how many ever clips we have, we keep misplacing them, and every day we go and search for it, and finally we end up picking up a new one from a tray. So that is the reason I bought the whole set, because I don't want to search and trouble everybody asking, so I bought this. So now I'm going to show you the earrings. I bought so many earrings again, so I'm going to show you them. So the first one, this is the first pair that I got, and it looks so pretty. You can wear these earrings on any traditional dresses, or you can also wear them for your daily wear also, if you're going for somewhere outside. For you can actually wear them for your college, if you're going for a small party or hotel, anywhere you go, you can. They are actually very lightweight, so you can wear them anywhere you want. And this is a pendant and earring set that I got for just 50 rupees, and you can wear them every day, and you can wear it on anything that you want, and it has a very beautiful pastel colors on it, and I love it. So these are the chains that I bought over there. So coming to this one, this is a very cute chain, very small in size, so I love wearing small chains, so that is the reason I bought this one. Even this one is a silver chain. The next one are the hoops, and every time I see hoops, I end up buying them because they look so pretty on any kind of dresses you wear. And the next one are these beautiful golden jhumkas. I got these for just 50 rupees, and you can pair it up with any traditional wear dresses, even on a simple kurta that you gonna wear. These are white stones, a bit long, lengthy earrings. I got these earrings for 100 rupees, and it looks so pretty on anything that you wear, because it's so shiny, and white stones suit on everything that you're gonna wear. These two are very simple pastel green colored studs. I recently bought few green color dresses, so that is the reason I bought these two. And the next one, this is a whole set uh, that you get, and you all need is just a white or black or any color stud you have, and you just have to insert it into them, and you can wear the color that matches your dress. So if you don't have any stones kind of studs, you can also pair it up with something like this, a very simple stud. So this is of gold stud. I also sometimes also wear something like this. Yeah, that's it. This is my earring collection that I bought it over there. So the next one is that I bought this black metal ring, which is gonna suit so good on very grand dresses. And that too, since I bought black metal bangles, and I also wanted to buy this ring. And the next one is that so I have a bit short hair, and for that I bought these two pretty side pins, hair pins. So I also bought these dupattas, and this is the third one. I bought these three dupattas, for each one for just 100 rupees. And if you open the dupatta, it looks like this. So It is a white dupatta and it has frills. For this video, this is the last one that we purchased. These are the paints, poster colors that we bought. This is how you get from inside. There are 12 colors and a single brush. So my sister recently started painting, and I have also uploaded a video for beginners who want to paint. And if you haven't watched that video yet, I've linked it over here, and don't forget to watch it. And I will also be putting few paintings that my sister made in this video. And if you haven't watched the part 1 of this video, do watch it. For that, I'm going to link it over here and in the description and also in the cards. Cards is something that you'll find at the end of this video. So now you can go and watch the video. So I hope you all loved it, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.